All right, these are tips 41 through 45 in the series of videos that I am putting out that are going to help you to be more organized, more decluttered, to save time, energy, and live more efficiently. In case this is your first time checking out this channel, this is efficiencyandorganization.com. There are awesome videos on this channel that have to do with being more productive, better planned, having very good systems and routines in life to be able to achieve and accomplish more. Okay, so we're gonna get right into tip number 41. Have a place to put all your plastic bags from the stores so that way you don't overstock. So if you look around and you find yourself with plastic bags all over the place, because when you go to the grocery store, they give you plastic bags. That's awesome, but what you want to do is have one central place for them so that way you don't have stuff everywhere. So if you have plastic bags, put them all in one place. Tip 42 is a good one. It's an important one. It has to do with having some kind of a checklist that you're going to use when you are planning an event. So for example, if you have a birthday celebration coming up, if you have a get together coming up, just like a holiday celebration coming up, anything like that, any event that you're going to put together, even if it's for work, have a checklist. So that way you're not forgetting any of the major details, any of the things that you need to get. I will have a sample that you can download and use in the description of this video if it helps you. Take a look at it. If you want to make one that's similar to it that you can use, awesome. If not, just use download the one that I share with you. 43, keep track of your donations. Okay, here's why I say this. One of my small businesses is in the financial sector. So every year I have people who come to me so I can help them with their personal tax returns, right? So when they come in, I'm like, okay, did you donate money? And they go, yeah, I did, but it was $10 here, $20 there, and I don't really remember. And then they start looking in their phones to see if they have receipts. So keep track of your donations. Here's what I would suggest. Get yourself one of these folders that I have here, and like just the normal envelope, and I'll have a link for those on Amazon that you could order and have delivered to your door. Put them in there. Just put the year, like say 2023 receipts, 2024 receipts, donations. And every time you donate, get a receipt and just stick it in there. What you could do before you go to do your taxes, you can calculate how much you gave to which organization and give that to your tax person. Or if you do your own taxes, well, then you have it there. You have your proof because you've been saving them. And also you have all the amounts. Tip 44, before investing in anything new, take about a month to make a list of all the one-time and ongoing expenses. You might invest in a pet. Do you know what the expenses are going to be of owning a pet? If you're going to invest in a small business, do you know what the expenses are going to be? So you want to basically take at least a month or two to write down all the one-time or ongoing expenses. Another example, solar panels. People install solar panels nowadays, right? Okay, that's awesome, but what are the expenses associated with that? So anytime you're investing in something new or you're going to buy something that's going to be with you for a while, just think about the one-time expense or ongoing expenses that you might incur. So just this is an organized process for investing that you can implement today. Okay, and the last tip, tip 45, throw away unused body washes, lotions, and things like that sit around in the bathroom. So if you have friends like me, they probably like for the holidays, for birthdays, give you things that they buy like lotions and body washes and things like that. Next thing you know, candles, that's another example. Next thing you know, you have so many of them sitting around in your bathroom. Get rid of the ones you are not using, okay? Throw them away. That's the whole idea of decluttering. If you haven't used them for the last year, chances are you're not going to use them in the next year and you're going to get even more of them. If you just can't see yourself throwing them out because they're perfectly good products, then give them away to people, give them away to friends, give them away to neighbors. Put a box outside your house, see if somebody would pick them up. That's an idea. Or you can also donate them. If you like the tips that you are hearing, there are many more that I did already. I will link every single video that I did in this series of 100 tips in the description. Please like this video and share it with friends who can also use some of these awesome tips and ideas. I will have the next set, which will be 46 through 50, coming up very soon. If you subscribe, you'll be notified when that comes out. Okay, until next time, I'll catch you in the next video.